My name's Scott Heth. I'm the Executive Director of Environmental Learning Centers of Connecticut. I am pleased and proud to open this dedication and ribbon cutting for the Wallace Barnes Accessible Nature Trail.
3, 2, 1.
There are many individuals, corporations, and foundations that through their generosity made this project a reality.
The trail has brought me independence. It's a pleasure to go out there on my own and to be able to do something by myself. It really makes you feel like you're a regular person.
Population of 60,000, we can be proud of what we have in this community.
I just think this is the most special, unique place, and I think he would love it.
On behalf of the City of Bristol, it's my pleasure to congratulate the Environmental Learning Centers of Connecticut on its 55th anniversary.
This area here, we're thinking that this may be a pollinator garden. Either that or it'll be a children's nature play area. Planted native shrubs over here, which will grow into a shrub jumble, which will attract shrubland birds and whatnot.
This is beautiful. This is really beautiful.